According to the 2023 National Association of Colleges and Employers Recruiter Study, over 60% of the candidates are eliminated in the group discussion round. Not because they lack knowledge, but because they send the wrong signals. Most students think GDs are about speaking more. They are not. They are about how you think under pressure. For most students, the group discussion round is the most unpredictable part of the placement process. I have been there, ask me. You don't know the topic, you don't know how aggressive the group will be, and you don't know how to stand out without sounding rude or dominating. So here is the truth. GDs are not communication tests. They are behavioral situations or simulations. And companies are watching very carefully. Recruiters are not counting how many times you speak, they are evaluating 5 signals. First, clarity of thought. Second, structure. Third, team orientation. Fourth, leadership and initiative. Fifth, data-driven thinking. Group discussions expose real-time thinking. You cannot memorize answers. You can only think clearly or you can't. Most students fail GDs because they speak emotionally. Repeat what somebody has already said. Interrupt to sound confident. Stay silent out of fear of being judged. Or talk without direction. No clarity. Recruiters don't remember what you said. They remember how you behaved with yourself and with others in the group. The group dynamics are very important here. At Career Earth, we teach a simple system to crack any GD. It is called the SCOPE framework. It works because it aligns perfectly with how recruiters evaluate behavior. So in the GD, speak early. Enter the discussion in the first 60 to 90 seconds. This signals confidence and composure. You don't need a strong opinion. You need a strong entry. Here is an example. Before we begin, let me suggest a simple way to structure this discussion. Then, contribute meaningfully. Don't create noise. You should add value. Use frameworks, angles, or distinctions. Here is another example. We can view this issue from economic, social, and long-term skill perspective. Then organize the discussion. When the group becomes chaotic, you step in calmly and say, we seem to have 2 viewpoints emerging. Let me summarize them so we can move forward. What does this show? It shows leadership without domination. Provide evidence. Recruiters love evidence. We've talked about this in the previous videos as well. Talk about data, recent reports that you might have read about. Give them real examples that you've heard about, something that everyone can relate to. Evidence converts opinions into credibility. More importantly, enable others. This is the most underrated GD skill. Invite quieter members to speak up. There would be people who are introverts. Ask them to speak. For example, Priya raised an interesting point earlier. Maybe she can expand on that. This signals behavior, separates leaders from talkers. Now, time management is very critical. No GD is going to run the whole day. Use the 20-40-40 rule. 20% opening contribution, 40% mid-discussion value. The remaining 40% organizing, summarizing, enabling. This prevents you from dominating or just disappearing. And a lot of people make a few points and they just go silent, think their work is done and they disappear. Here is a topic. Is AI a threat to job? Speak early. Let's analyze this from economic, technological, and human skill perspective. Contribute meaningfully. A recent study by the Big Three has shown that AI may automate tasks, not entire roles. Organize your thought. We have 2 views, job loss versus job transformation. Provide evidence. NASSCOM's report shows net job creation in AI-enabled sectors. And finally, enable. Tushar, you mentioned the human skill angle. Could you build on that? This is a top quartile GD performance. What will lead to instant rejection? Constantly interrupting, you shouting to dominate, repeating the same points over and over again, attacking others, staying too silent too long, waiting for some miracle to happen, giving examples without structure. Confidence without control is a very, very big red flag. It shows that it can go either way. Remember, GTs are not about speaking the most. They are about speaking clearly, calmly, and strategically. Use the scope framework, follow the 20-40-40 rule, and you will stand out every single time. Follow us on Career Earth and stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and comment. As always, we are here to support you, and we feel very happy to see you grow and develop. And we often say to you, अगर clarity है तो growth है तो career है. So be tuned, stay with us at Career Earth, and I look forward to speaking to you in due course.